Fellows, welcome to Imajely, the world's first and most advanced all-in-one AI-powered design and animation technology with a ton of unique benefits for creators of all levels. Finally, a design and animation web app that's powerful, easy to use, and affordable, especially for agencies. We have adjusted this outstanding technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 easy steps to follow. Step 1. Select from 500 plus ready-to-use templates in 50 plus niches or create from scratch. Step 2. Design with our rich yet easy-to-use AI-powered editor. Step 3. Publish designs by sharing, downloading, or embedding in seconds. And that's about it. Really simple, professional, and outstanding. But more than just an advanced design and animation web application. We have created, tested, and improved Imajely especially for design and animation agencies to support designs and animations of all levels and industries. Let me give you a quick walkthrough so you can fall in love with this brilliant application just like I did. Imajely is an advanced yet extremely simple to use application. By login, you will access the dashboard, where you are able to search from 500 plus professional, beautiful, and ready-to-use templates in 50 plus niches. You will be able to access the Imajely Creative Tools from here, which is a special set of tools I will talk about in just a sec. Right below, you will be able to create your awesome designs, same as with this button above. And here, you will be able to view our latest and most popular templates. And also, another look at the creative tools inside Imajely. In My Designs, you will be able to manage all of your projects, which can be as many projects as you wish. And in My Files, you will be able to manage all your uploaded files. In Exports, you will see all your exports. And in Templates, you will be sent back to our beautiful templates collection. Totally simple, fellows. We have made the outstanding to be simple, and you will be shocked with what you are about to see. Welcome to the Imajely's rich yet easy-to-use design editor. You can create your design or animation by simply selecting your desired template among hundreds of them, or create any type of design or animation from scratch. You will then be sent to our proprietary design and animation technology to support designs and animations of all levels and industries. In the top menu, you will be able to open a project, create a new project, explore, import, save as new, share, export, and exit. Undo, redo, copy, paste, rename, delete, select all, and manage the document properties. Resize, trim, group, ungroup, image, edit text, animation, flip, arrange. Use add-ons such as color gradient, animate layout, mask pack, find colors, and make QR codes. And use other functions like show or hide the sidebar, show or hide property, zoom, full screen, and show or hide the player. And in the help area, you will be able to learn about keyword shortcodes and access the tutorials and FAQs. Right below the top menu, you will be able to save, undo, redo, make the editor full screen, adjust the design preview, toggle the safe area, insert image, insert text, insert a timer into the design, as well as activating the pencil, adding horizontal lines, polygons, circles, and squares. But let's not forget to mention our awesome AI feature where you can write, rewrite, translate, fix spelling errors, make shorter, and change the tone of the text with the power of AI. On your left, you will find the artboard, where you will be able to set the background, as well as manage our non-destructive editing layering concept. You will also access the libraries, where you can add animations, video effects, and shapes to your designs. At your right, you'll be able to manage the properties of the elements selected from your design, and you can edit things like dimension, position, rotation, text features, and effects. And finally, you see the canvas, where you will do most of the design editing. You will also find additional editing features by selecting an element and right-clicking on it. Fellows, this is truly rich, the next generation, yet easy to use design editor. And once you are done with your design, you can export it. And Imagely gives you the flexibility to export it in multiple, highly useful formats and even to online drive. This is just terrific, guys. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Besides downloading your design, you can also edit it. Share the design project with a password-protected link. Embed it with perfect quality so you can use it anywhere online and even preview statistics. And delete it. But that's not all. If you want to take your creativity to the fullest potential, you should upgrade to Imagely Creative to instantly access 11 video, audio, and image creative tools for unlimited advanced designs and animations. If you want to unlock Imagely's power to its fullness, you should upgrade to Imagely Elite to instantly unlock the video layer, 5 million stock videos, share projects with up to 10 people, 120-minute animation time, 25 one-click photo background removal, and 5 gigabyte storage capacity. And if you want to get ahead of the competition as a design and animation agency, you should dominate your market with customizable design and animation templates with Imagely's Template Club, where you will enjoy fresh new stunning design and animation templates added every month to your Imagely account. And finally, if you still haven't established your design and animation agency, or you have one already but would like help to do it the right way, you definitely need to access our game-changing Imagely DFY Agency Upgrade, where we will give you instant access to our high-converting agency website, graphics, video ads, client proposals, presentation slides, emails to close deals, call scripts, training to find clients, and much more for greater success. There's lots of awesome stuff inside Imagely, but I can't show it all in just this short demo video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to enter the $779 billion design and animation industry by getting your hands into the world's first and most advanced all-in-one AI-powered design and animation technology with a ton of unique benefits you won't find anywhere else online, then try Imagely today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.